Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change your price format on Shopify store. Let's get started. So for now, let's view the preview of our store first in order to see what we're gonna work with. So as you can see right here, we have here products, and as you can see, they have decimals. So what you can do in order to remove the decimals is to head over in our store, and then from in here, what we can do next is to click on the settings. Now, on the settings, you can actually search in here for store currency, but you can just scroll down and here you can see this. So you can click on these three dots, click on this change currency formatting, and then this will open this. So if you want to remove the decimal, you can just head over and add this no decimals, just like this one. So let's copy that and let's put that right here in order to add in here no decimals. So you can just put in here that. And then let's try to put this as well and this as well. Then click on save right here. Once you have done that and settings has been saved, we can head back our store and then refresh this. And then from in here, it will take some time for the actual format to replace the actual decimals that we have. But once it's been added, it will actually reflect on your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.